To promote your products on Gumroad, start by logging in to your account on the Gumroad website. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section, where you can create, edit, or manage your existing products. You can access additional options, such as discovering affiliate collaborations, by clicking the three dots. To effectively promote your products, consider crafting an irresistible brand story, which can be done by creating a compelling bio. It's also essential to optimize your product page for conversions, build an engaged email list, and leverage the power of social media by advertising or connecting your social media accounts to Gumroad. Creating valuable content, running promotions and discounts, and collaborating with others are also effective strategies. Monitoring and optimizing your product's performance is crucial, so be sure to track demand and adapt your approach as needed. By following these tips, you can increase your product's visibility and reach a wider audience on Gumroad.